Instead of listening to Axel, why don't you guys let me explain why we haven't had a video in 7 months? That's because it's not that I don't care about the company. It's just I don't give a fuck about you guys. I mean, like, you guys are just views on a channel that consists of me kicking Axel's ass, and without him, there's none of that. Which I can do in my sleep.
Oh, that was scared, didn't you? They're all watching. All the views you were talking about, they're right there. They're right there. They're watching you right now. I'm right here. Do something about it. They're all watching. Every view you were talking about, come on, let's go. Show them what you got in your sleep. I'm right here.
You'll find out soon enough.
Oh.
This is the guy?
Oh. You again. Oh. Oh.
Are you good now? Want me to do something about it again? Huh? What you got?
Oh.
Oh.
You don't stop, do you? Oh. 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 Ah.